Hey everyone, this is the last week of June, so we're gonna be trading our weekly Forex forecast for the week of the 27th to July 1st. So bear with me guys, I'm gonna be giving you about 5 to 6 different pairs this week, letting you know what the market has to offer us for the last week of closing the month of June. So welcome to be honest to our last week of our Forex Trading weekly analysis. Let's go. Let me show you what the market has to offer. So if you guys have any question, please let me know. So the first pair that I have here for you guys, it is Euro JPY. Pay close attention to Euro JPY, guys. It's clearly always identify what your dashboard is doing, and that will help you to become a better trader. Look at here, all the time frame is letting us know the market is in a buy position. So what I'm gonna be doing today, guys, is I'm gonna be breaking down this analysis for you in a very step-by-step way, so you can learn how to utilize our multiple time frame, because the goal here is to give you the best tips, tricks, analysis, and strategy here on our Forex channel. And do me a favor, guys, make sure you guys support our channel by hitting the bell notification below and subscribe and share this video to the world so everybody can learn how to trade. And plus, the benefit here is do not pay for any signal to no one. Okay, please don't do that. All right, so this is what I'm seeing here, guys. Market here is still in a buy position. Like I said, it's true. Look at here, our TW is also letting us know that we are in a buy position. Continuation of the buy is still valid. So that's what we are seeing here on the dashboard, that everything is currently going on that buy position, so which is good. So this is what I'm seeing here. Market still gonna come back and retest your mid 23 to your 0 Fibonacci, retesting this indicator here, this indicator here, our trend line, and then from there market is gonna do a small reversal, retesting our 23.6 once again. Then from there market will continue as a buy position. All right, that's what I'm seeing, guys. If any of you guys want this free indicator here that I'm using here, this trend line here, automatic trend line, please let me know and I will go ahead and hand it over to you, or send me a private telegram. The link is on the description of this video, and I will make sure that you get it. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. That's the only thing that I'm gonna give you for free. Okay, all right, so let's move on to the next one. Comment below, guys, if any of you have any question. And always remember one thing is very important: never ever invest any money you cannot afford to lose. This business is very risky. You can win huge, at the same time you can blow your account if you don't know what to do, what are you gonna be doing. So if you need help, please let me know in the comment below and I will make sure that I will help you out. Okay, all right, the next pair that I have here, it is GBP USD. Look, I told everyone last week, guys, GBP USD is in a sell. So hopefully, I remember, like I always say, this is not signal, but hopefully many of you guys have made some money on that drop. There was not a lot of movement, but still the market was selling. Look at here, clearly, guys, what's the dashboard saying? Look at here, 4 hours and daily time frame, weekly and monthly, saying, hey Irving, I'm in a sell position. So the next thing that we need to do is we need to look for our multiple time frame. Here it is, letting us know, hey, I'm in a sell position. What is our TWE sniper entry saying? It's saying the same thing as well. It's saying, Irving, we are selling. Look at those sell. So previously, this is what we were seeing on the market. Previously, the market was on a buy position. So this is considered a pullback. So pullback is game over, no longer valid. So who is in charge right now? Remember, the sellers are in charge. That's what I just told you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touchdowns saying, hey, we are officially on that sell position. So this is what I'm seeing here to be closing this month of June. To be honest, what I'm seeing here is the market will come back, retest your 23.6 Fibonacci line, retesting this green arrow here, previous multiple time frame as well. So there's a lot of opportunity, very key level right between your 38 and your 23 Fibonacci level. From there, market will do a small retracement, retesting this high here once again, and then boom, market will close the month of June as a sell position unless otherwise come. It's very important, guys, for you, each and every one of you here that is watching this video, to please check the news. Please check the news. No matter what I'm gonna be telling you today, everything is subject to change based on the news that are gonna be releasing this coming week. All right, the market is always gonna be right. All right, the next pair that I'm gonna give you guys, it is GBP JPY. Beautiful pair that we have here. It's a beautiful pair that I have here. So look at here. Look at the dashboard. This is very important for everyone to know. Look at the dashboard. The dashboard saying Irvin, we are selling. Boom. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. So now if the market is selling, what do you need to do, guys? Huh? What do you think the market needs to do? You need to be looking for sell when it's on the right point. Let me break it down for you, because that's what you're here for. You're here to learn how to break down each pair, because it's very important and very important. Oh yeah, you better believe that. Woo! Oh yeah! All right, so here's the sell. Watch. Multiple time frame is here. TW sniper entry is here. Continuation of the sell is here. And look, so market did drop. Boom! Then we have what? This is a reversal. A buy, consider a reversal. Reversal is game over, no longer valid. Who is in charge? The sellers are coming this week very active to continue that sell position. Look at here. On Friday, the market left us here, touch 1, touch 2, and it had a hard time to close this green arrow here. So most likely it's gonna come back to that 23.6 Fibonacci level, and then boom, market will come back to your 38.2. We'll do a small retracement, retesting this high here. Look at here, this touch it, boom, 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 support and resistance, and then boom, market will continue as a sell. Because all I'm seeing, to be honest, is an opportunity to be on that sell position on GBP JPY. If you guys are seeing something else, please let me know. It's very important, for us to agree on the market. We can disagree in anything you want, on politics, religion, whatever you want, but we need to, one way or another, agree on the market, because the market will either take us out or it will blow our account. We're gonna win together. It's very important for all of us to be on the same page. All right, so and always, please, guys, do not trade any money you cannot afford to lose, guys. If you guys need help and you want to be on class this coming Tuesday, we're gonna have class. Please let me know and we're gonna put you in, okay? But please only send me a private telegram if you want to be in it. If not, it's fine. All right, so the next pair that I have for everyone in here, it is USD JPY. This is another beautiful pair, but this is what I want you guys to understand from this pair, guys, because not every pair is beautiful, as a setup. It's very important for you to know. Look, once again, if you guys want this free indicator here, this trend line here, automatic trend line, please let me know. It's free. The way that you're gonna use this, to be honest, it worked very magically with our multiple time frame. Look at here. Once it went by, came here, retested, it sell, come and retested your mid trend line once again. It took over on that buy position. Look at what it's doing right now again. Touch 1, touch 2. The market is doing a reversal, but overall, this is what I'm seeing. Look at this trade, guys. USD JPY is very tricky. Very tricky for those that are planning to trade this pair. Please be careful, because look, pay close attention to what I'm gonna say here, because if you don't, this pair here will take you out. So overall, what I'm seeing here is a contradiction, right? Look at here, the daily time frame is telling me that we are still in that buy position, same as the weekly and the monthly. But look at the difference, guys. The difference here is, let me change it in a different color. The difference here is there are 4 hours is saying otherwise. It's saying Irvin. The market here, it is what? It's telling us that we are on a what? We are on a sell position. So what is our multiple time frame saying? Look at here, multiple time frame is telling us we're still on the buy. Our TW sniper entry is also confirming that yes, it's true, we're still on that buy position. Look at the stairs don't lie. When the market is in a buy position, you will be seeing the stairs going only on the same direction of the trend. There's a brand new pair here, brand new dots in there telling us the market is still bullish. If you don't believe me, well, look at here. Boom, market took off. So this was a pullback. Pullback is no longer valid. So why is the market contradicting? Why is the time frame contradicting right now? Why everything is in a buy, but we are seeing the sellers are in charge? Taking what? What do you think this represent? This sell position represent what? What do you think it represent? Guys, do me a favor. Hopefully you are finding a lot of value on this video so far. If this becomes very educational, please guys give me a thumbs up. Make sure you drop a comment below if you want me to analyze any pair that I'm missing. I will make a small video and make sure that I give you the answer of whatever you are looking for. And make sure everybody subscribe, guys. I was checking the analytics, and I think it's about 82% of you guys watch the video, but some of you guys don't even subscribe. So make sure that you do subscribe because it's free. All right. So the reason the market here is contradicting is because the market here is doing a what? Right, look at here. Someone said the market is doing a pullback. That is true. Market right now is doing a pullback. So pullback still valid. So unfortunately on Friday, market still was in that sell position, right? So all I can say is the market, let me make this arrows a bit smaller. Actually, let me delete everything. Market here still selling, so it's gonna come back and retest your 23.6 Fibonacci level, and then from there market will come back and retest this multiple time frame here once again, and then maybe the first, well, this is for the week of the 27th to the July 1st, and then on the very first week of July we are gonna be expecting to see a official sell position. But in order for me to take that sell position, guys, I want to see that our TWE sniper entry, same thing what you see here, but I want this to pop in right here on the seller's position, and I will be taking this for a long-term sell position. But I don't have anything, no data yet, so fortunately I will not be on this sell for so long if I'm planning to trade. I'm planning to take opportunity only going as a buy position, because that's exactly what the trend is doing right now. It's going up, not down. All right, fair enough. All right, guys, so let me show you one more beautiful pair, guys, that I was trading last week as a sell, and it worked out so well, and it's one of the most tradable pair in the world, and that is, are you ready? Oh yeah! That is Euro USD. Pay close attention to this pair. I told you guys market was selling. Hopefully some of you make some money. Look at the dashboard. This is very important, guys. Look at here, the daily time frame, weekly and monthly selling, but all suddenly the 4 hours is contradicting. So if the market is contradicting, we have a problem. We have a problem. Most likely, guys, when the market contradict, that means the market is doing a pullback, because it's not communicating with the larger time frame. So in here, this is what I'm seeing here, guys. It's very important for you to know this, right? So what I'm seeing here is the market right as we speak here. See, it was in a buy. Right now, look at these sellers here. What is the sellers doing? The sellers are active. So if it's showing me as a buy, but the sellers are selling, then I have a problem. So what should I do? Right? When you see these problems like that, guys, please either stay away, look for another pair, and trade things that make sense. But this is contradicting. But I'm still gonna give you the analysis because you know it's the way to do business. You know, not every pair is beautiful, so I had to show you uncomfortable ones that you're not gonna be happy. All right, so what I'm seeing here, guys, is the market may come back and retest once again this multiple time frame here. Same thing with this red arrow here, and look at previous touches in there. So this level here is very good. Is the mid of your trend line anyway, and then from there market will make a continuation of that sell, matching this larger time frame in here, saying that yes, it will continue as a sell, coming down and retest your 78.6, and then from there market will do a small retracement. This is exactly what I think Euro USD may perform. Remember, this is my opinion, guys, but I'm pretty sure, I'm confident that, you know, even if the market takes me out, it's fine. You know, we're not gonna win on this business all the time. It's something that you need to know, because it's very, very, very important to know. All right, so what do you guys think so far, guys? This Forex weekly analysis makes sense to you? Let me know, because I'm here doing this Forex weekly forecast for the week of June 27 to July 1st. I'm here taking my time to teach you how to look at the market in a different point of view. So I want to thank everybody, guys, for being here. Like I always say, God bless you, God bless your family, and God bless the world, and I will see you guys back on our next video. So make sure everybody subscribe, okay? Hasta la vista, guys. Peace out. Let's go. Team with Irving.